Another court appearance for one of the two teens charged in the deadly shooting at STEM School Highlands Ranch. Kendrick Castillo died after being shot while trying to tackle one of the gunmen. His family was in court again today. Our Mackenzie O'Keefe was also there. She joins us live from Castle Rock. Mackenzie, what happened this morning?
Yeah, good afternoon, Britt. This was a very lengthy hearing. Much of this conversation that was taking place here in the courtroom today had to deal with it. This is a criminal case. The suspect is being tried as an adult, but is 16 years old, and really what this case will look like throughout this process and down the road. Of course, this courtroom once again was completely packed with people and community members here to show their support, and that was especially for Kendrick Castillo's family. His parents were greeted with hugs and some tears, and they also sat front row throughout the entire hearing. The suspect's family was also there and was showing some emotions. Now, the hearing began with the defense asking that the suspect, McKinney, who prefers to go by Alec, not be shackled, but the judge ruled against that for safety reasons. More than a dozen motions were brought forth by the defense. One of those included asking for a reverse transfer hearing that would move this back to the juvenile court instead of an adult court. The prosecution said they will fight hard against this, but the judge did allow a hearing for this matter to be scheduled for the fall. The defense also asked for a closed courtroom to make sure their defendant gets a fair trial, but District Attorney George Brockler argues that the public's right to know about this case is much greater of an issue than the suspect's privacy, and the judge agreed with that. Here's what District Attorney George Brockler had to say after this hearing today.
In this particular case, the statute is clear that the interests of the public in having access to cases just like this one is paramount, and it outweighs, in most cases, the interests of a juvenile who's being prosecuted as an adult in some sort of secrecy or anonymity.
Now, there is a lot of evidence in this. They said they have tens of thousands worth of files to go through, hours of videos and photos that they need to review. The suspect did remain quiet throughout this entire hearing today, except for to address the judge in the very beginning. Now, McKinney will be back in court for a 7-day preliminary and that transfer hearing that will all take place in late November. We're live in Douglas County. Mackenzie O'Keefe covering Colorado First.
Great reporting, Mackenzie. Thank you so much.